What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Miss Black, and I am back with another video. So it's late. It's 11:45. I know y'all haven't seen me. I know y'all haven't seen me. Look, I have been working like crazy. It's been cold. Everybody know if you stay in Las Vegas, it's been cold. Okay? But I cooked tonight. I made me some potatoes. Y'all seen that? And I made me some baked chicken. I'm finna make me a plate, people. I miss y'all so much. It is almost February. It is almost my birthday, people.
Really?
I don't know what I'm gonna do. I really don't know what I'm gonna do. But I hope you guys stay tuned. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I know. I know y'all like, where has she been? But I am here. I am healthy. I am strong. And I have been working. And obviously, I've been doing too much. Me and Aaron been knocked out on our days off. Okay. So, y'all, I love you. Make sure you keep watching. If you're not a new subscriber or whatnot, please keep watching. Keep watching. New subscribers, make sure you like, subscribe, leave your comments down below, and welcome to the family. Y'all, I miss y'all. So, you see I have some chicken wings, So let's get these chicken wings washed off, and I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do tonight. Okay, people, I have gotten the chicken wings washed off and folded. Let me show y'all what I'm finna use. Y'all see this? Y'all see that? Okay. We're going to put it locked. We're going to see how these chicken wings come out. And I have some paprika. Yes, y'all see that? Then we are going in with this. Yes, a whole bunch of hot sauce. A whole bunch of hot sauce. I know y'all have never did some wings like this. I know it because I'm making it up right now. But we finna see. We're gonna see what's going on with these wings after I pull these bad boys out. Yes. Boom. Now we have some basil. Yes, that's what I want these wings to look like. Do you guys see this? Y'all see this? I want to show y'all these wings in a little bit. Okay? So now what you want to do is get just a little bit of water. We're going to put some water in here. Just a little bit of water. I only have a coffee cup worth. Only a coffee cup worth. Put some more basil on those wings that became uncovered. I have some more hot sauce. Yes, a lot of hot sauce. Some more all-purpose. I'm going to wrap these bad boys up in some foil, people. Just like that. We're going to wrap these chicken wings up in some foil. And I'm going to show y'all in about 30 minutes what these chicken wings going to look like, okay? So it is 9:07, people. 9:07. And we're gonna go 30 minutes with them in the stove. And that's all we're gonna put. And the stove is on 500. 500, people. Y'all see these chicken wings? Y'all see them chicken wings right there? Oh my God. Okay, so I'm gonna get these flipped over. I'm gonna pull this foil back on top and put them back in the stove. So you guys, I have a pack of baby reds. Can y'all see that? We're gonna get those baby reds into the pot with some hot water. And you see this? Applewood smoked bacon. We're gonna get that into the pot. Okay. I want y'all to take a look. Let's got the potatoes into the pot. Everything is boiling. Boiling. Let's get some butter. Okay, y'all, the potatoes is going. I got me some butter. That's what I'm over here messing with the butter. And we're gonna put half a stick. Okay? Half a stick. Give everything a stir. And now you can turn the eye down. Potatoes are ready. We're gonna get some seasoning into these bad boys. Okay, we have our potatoes, so we're gonna get some seasoning salt into these bad boys, just like that, and give them a stir. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get some potatoes. I don't need a lot because it's late, but I'm watching a movie and I've been asleep today. So that's how much I'm gonna get. Okay? Okay, so let's get these wings out, people. So y'all can see what I got going on. Woo! See that steam? Here we go. Up, y'all was ready. Up. There you go. Look at that. Look at those wings. Do y'all see that? Do y'all see how those wings are smoking? Oh my God, people. It's time to chew. It is time to chew. So let me get my potatoes, and we're gonna put some wings on the plate, and I'm gonna finish my movie. Okay, so I'm gonna go with 2 wings. 2 wings. And these potatoes, do y'all see that? Do y'all see that plate? 2 wings and some potatoes. Bam. Bam. Let me get my thumbnail picture. I'm gonna put a little gravy on top of these potatoes. Oh no, it's not gravy, people. Don't think it's gravy. But I want that spice on my potatoes. Oh my God. Look at there. Look at here. It's time to chew, people. Close-up view of my plate. Mm, mm, mm. Thanks, you guys, for watching. This was something quick, simple, and I didn't really have to touch. Good night.